The rope stitch is done in 2 steps. The first step is to do a back stitch along where you would like the rope to lay. So for this, it's going to be to back stitch along the horse's bridle. When you come to the end of where you'd like your rope stitch to be, you simply knot off your back stitch on the back, and then you're going to come in with your second color. So the second part of the rope stitch is to whip stitch around your back stitches. So you first come up right about where you started, and then you're not going to be going through the fabric anymore. You're going to be coming either bottom to top or top to bottom. I can't with this stand, but to whip stitch around the back stitches. So you're going through the stitches themselves, not through the fabric. So I'm gonna go through the next one. And you just do this through all of the back stitches that you've prepared in part 1. And then once you've finished and you need to knot off, you will go down back through the same or nearby hole as the part 1 back stitches and knot off in the same way.